So we are going to solve this limit. It is a algebraic function. Square root is also involved and x approaching to minus infinity. So what we will do is, since there is a square root, so we will rationalize it, and since x approaching to minus infinity, in place of x we will let x equals to minus y. It means as x approaches to minus infinity, y will approach to infinity. Now we will change x in terms of y. So in place of x we will put this. Now rationalize this. Now simplify it. A minus b into a plus b, it will be a square minus b square. तो स्क्वायर रूट क्या होगा, रिमूव हो जाएगा. So in the numerator we are getting this, in the denominator we leave it as it is. Y square cancels. Now limit y approaching to infinity. Y approaching to infinity. In the numerator we have minus 8y upon square root y square minus 4y plus square root y square plus 4y. As I have already explained in the previous video, we will divide numerator and the denominator by the highest power of y. So highest power of y is 1, because here it is y square but it is inside the square root sign, so it is also equal to 1. So now divide this by y. Upon y, here it will become y square y square This y gets cancelled out. So we have minus 8 upon 1 minus 4 upon y plus 1 plus 4 upon y. Now put the limits. Limit y tends to infinity 1 upon y, it will be what? It will be equal to 0. So finally we are getting minus 8 upon square root 1 minus 0 plus square root 1 plus 0 minus 8 upon 2, and it means we are getting it equals to minus 4. So minus 4 is the correct answer. So in such cases it is better to take in place of x equals to minus y. There is another way also of solving this. In some other video I will discuss that also. So do comment, like, share and subscribe.